Hello and welcome. It is the 13th day of September 2021. My name is Derek. All bets trades amongst alike, each his own risk and their own reward. Very quick video. It'll be Litecoin, which has managed to get to levels not seen since this level of resistance back in the summer or start of summer in June. And it has given relatively all of it back, up at one point over 25% against the Bitcoin, over 30% against the dollar. Now up 1 3/4 against the Bitcoin at 4,000 units, or 4 units, and it was at 5. That's what I got up to. Now for me, this is what happened. It was somewhere around here. I'm seeing, oh wait a second, Litecoin's up 15% or 12%, 13%. Well, I should eat that now. I gotta make a trade. I'm gonna sell some, get myself some theta, and go do some stuff around the house for a bit. Knowing it's going to take a few minutes, and see it's up 25%. Oh wow, this is awesome. Okay, well, I'm going to get a better trade. I guess I can make another one, so I'll put another deposit in. And I made a couple trades, so I bought myself some theta and some Teslas. And then I'm seeing this start to come back down here. I'm thinking, well, yeah, I mean, interesting that it's having this type of correction, but it can happen. And well, it's definitely going to hold a 61.8, which I calculated to be somewhere around this area here, which is where I got my buybacks. So right around here, I bought what I sold back. But just like in here, well, what I did before is I searched, well, why is Litecoin going up? So what I did is I went on to Google and I searched Litecoin, and I searched it for the last hour. When I want to get very new news on anything, I search what I want to search for, and I search it for last hour. And it says that Walmart is accepting Litecoin as payment for their online store. Wow, okay, this is fantastic. And then after this has had such a big decline like this, okay, let's just take a look. Let's just search again. Somewhere around here, I'm searching. And I find out it's fake news. It was from a Litecoin, a registered Twitter account, which was then deleted. Walmart denying that they were making any accepting of the Litecoin payment. And since then, the market is just mad doing this. You know, for years and years, I felt, when Charlie Lee said he was selling his Litecoin like that, I probably should have just followed suit back then. And I regretted it to a degree. I mean, whatever. Because I balanced at so many levels. It's not the biggest of deals. And even today, I'm extremely more balanced. But I'm even going to be more so now. As what I've done is I've sold over half my Litecoin. Well, half for myself, and for some people that I'm talking to, working with, I'm like, yeah, you know what, maybe 2/3, and of course they did that. It's scary, scary news that it was. I mean, was this some sort of large pump and dump scheme? You think, okay, let's put the news out that we're going to accept it, so everyone's going to be buying like this, so they're going to be just selling their Litecoin. And then that's that. And they're not going to buy it back. So the selling is everyone who bought. I mean, people are buying, oh, I'm going to buy. So even the people I sold to those 2 times, like, oh man, it's fake news. And then they sell at some point. It could have been possible that I bought, not really, but I bought back for the person I sold to at the better price. But that's what a lot of the selling would come into play. But I'm at the stage now where it's like, it's a very scary situation, and trusting this over the long-term time frame. So therefore, as far as my balance diversity is concerned, I'm probably going to buy a couple different coins, so own more, and my percentage ownership of Litecoin is going to be very, very low. In fact, it'll be along the same as so many others that I got that are in the lower area. I might even sell more later on, I don't know. But I don't like the news as it is. And there's just so many other great coins yet. I still don't know what I'm going to probably get. I like Qtum a bit, so I'm probably going to do that. But I'm still not sure. I'll figure that out through maybe today or later on. So right now it's Bitcoin. It's held into. And I'll figure out later what I'll do with it. Take care.